Look at this. Wait, let me see this. Oh my god. Hey, Xbox, you need to like look at us for a sec, just for a thumbnail, Xbox. Just like walk forward and look at us. Yeah, like, I bet that's a perfect thumbnail right there. Alright, now you should get back before somebody shoots you. Oh, you're not scared? Holy shit.
Oh shit.
So this guy claims he's the devil. I'm actually a little bit scared of him.
Dude, I'm actually shaking too.
Me too. Look at that. It's like this is like a class. He's teaching us how to use a shield. And we're just like sitting in our chairs like students. I like how quiet you guys are. It means you respect us, because we're good players.
Well, it was a 1v6, so I mean...
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Well, a 1v6 is kind of fair anyways.
Shut the
Shut the fuck up. It's like a damn Obama or something. No, it's not like a damn Obama. It's more like a sniper... a sniper something. I can't think of what it is. Damn sniper wolf or something. Yeah, that's what it is. Xbox criminal is God. The only reason Xbox criminal created this planet was so he could camp and kill people. He's to the left, laying down. Defuse first. Nice. Run to the spawn, just run to Xbox. Run. You made it. Oh man, this is so evil. I'll be careful with you right now. So it's like a military operation. Do you see the flying thing?
Shit. I fucking love this.
Easy. You guys are so bad that you lost 3 rounds in a row.
You guys...
What was that, pussy?
That's right, did you see the flying thing?
Yes, I love it, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, like, I'm not even joking. I feel like this, like, Xbox guy actually has, like, 200 IQ or something.
It's scary, but
Maybe
amazing at the same time.
Yeah. Like, he has a high IQ, but he uses it for, like, demonic things. Yeah, look, he's nodding. Only pussies plant. Only pussies plant.
Only pussy's high, bitch.
We're not even sitting in our spawn, we're standing in our spawn.
Same thing.
Never mind, he's over there then. Alright, we'll protect. We'll just sit here. Alright, come here, PC guy, We got you. Get over here!
No way.
There you go. Alright, we can't move at all or he might accidentally shoot us, so we gotta...
Gotcha.
Yeah. Damn, you guys suck. You guys all died to one person.
Okay, zero
Not
kills.
even joking.
Stop choking on
Okay,
penis.
0 kills.
I don't have 0 kills. I'm the one on PlayStations.
Good job, 0 kills. Keep
Yeah,
gagging
you
on
sound
your
upset.
boy's dick over there.
Wow, he has homosexual. He has homosexual fantasies. Swag, do you like seafood?
No, I hate seafood.
Really? Damn.
Yeah.
I love seafood.
Do you think anyone cares?
Xbox, what do you think about seafood? Sounds like I'm talking to like Siri or Alexa. Like, ew, seriously? I have 2 seafood haters here. Swag, can you say, I'm for it.
I'm so
I can't remember what movie that's from.
It's from the movie called...
I'm sorry.
That's guy planting. One guy. You should see if you can go kill him, Swag. Cause Xbox never moves.
I'm sorry.
Hey fellas.
Yeah, we know.
You know what?
But you're gay.
Everything.
No, you're gay. You know what you should do? You should make like a 1-hour video, Xbox, and just call it Xbox Criminal the Movie. What do you think about that? What the fuck do you mean no? You don't want to make a glorious masterpiece that'll make Sniper Wolf wet? Hey,
Tell your boy
Swag.
quit having 3 or 4 accounts.
We got more kills and more money. That's why we can afford the
Hey.
accounts.
We don't give a fuck. We
We're
won the
rich.
game.
Swag, do you know who Sniper Wolf is?
Yes.
The YouTuber? Do you think she's beautiful?
I mean, I'm not a simp, but I guess she's up there.
I see. Would you describe her as truly beautiful?
I mean, outside-wise, but not inside.
Excuse me, bitch. What the fuck did you just say about my truly beautiful girlfriend, bitch? You better watch your mouth talking about her like that, bitch.
Hey, bro, did you really run over there?
Oh,
You
dude.
guys are bad, and you should feel bad. We won.
Do that shit again.
Pussies.
Fucking pussies. You guys are pussies.
Y'all thought that was gonna work? Y'all thought that was gonna work again?
English,
Y'all
please,
thought that was gonna work
motherfucker.
again?
You know where he is.
This dude with the fucking ride shield.
Easy. Fucking easy.
Aim like your mom, brother.
Look at that, look at that, look. Oh my god, world record aim. Look. Oh, you guys losing so hard. Easy. That's what I call easy. Hey, Tricky, was that easy or hard? I would say it's easy.
That was fucking easy, bro.
Skank and a
They were
slag
so
and a hole and
quiet.
a
Earlier,
slut.
they were talking so much shit.
Yeah, they're completely
They
demoralized.
thought they had us figured out with those rocket launchers.
Fucking pussies, enemy team. Pussies.
Pussies.
You like termites? I do.
Stop throwing shit like pussies. Only pussies throw stuff.
You sound like a fucking retard, but know that.
But no dat? What the hell is a dat? Damn. 15 kills. Your top player only has 5.
Fucking easiest game of my fucking
Your
life.
top player has 15.
You're trash. You're
I
trash.
only have 6.
Let me know when you're done
no.
crying.
Garbage. Shut your whole ass up, man.
Oh
You're garbage.
no! Oh,
That's what,
easy.
5 kills?
Easy.
5 kills, 6 kills. Oh, that's pretty good.
Easy.
Wait.
Easy.
Our top player has 15
Oh,
kills.
Wait, you got 6
None of you
kills.
even
You're
have
trash.
15
You're
kills.
trash. You're trash. You're trash. You're trash.
Easy. Easy.
That's why we're superior. We lose, but we're happy. They win, but they're sad. Can't they just come above you?
Holy shit!
I got you, Xbox.
How
These
did
kids
it
are fucking
go?
annoying.
We're not kids. We're all 50 plus. We have a lot of money,
You are
and we're
definitely a
winning.
child. You are. It's a
Look.
side game, bud. It's a side game.
He shot you in your ass.
You are not winning shit.
You're not even winning.
We're winning.
It's time.
We're winning.
Yep. Alright, so they're just gonna be
You're not
rocks.
even winning. You're not even winning. He said. Oh, who's winning now? Look, and they're quiet now. They got pathetically scared.
She
No, not really
was.
scared.
Shoot straight to the
Just
right,
like
dude.
this is the dumbest fucking.
Watch this.
Oh, they killed Xbox. Now I'm going demon mode and killing everyone. What was that retard doing there? Hey, let's compare kills.
Oh
Your
no, my
top player
trophy
has
systems aren't
3
stopping
kills,
it.
pretty
What
good.
happened?
Our top player has 14. Oh my
See that
god.
no scope, bro? Just no scoped your ass.
Be about time that 14
Like
jumped
that.
out of his mom's bed.
You're making kids sick.
That's fine, he just
You're
wasted
not
all his
even
skill streaks.
winning. Hey, let's compare kills. Your top player has 3. Our top player has 19. Look how quiet they are now. They got scared
Yeah,
again.
it's not really.
Bro.
God,
They ain't talking as much shit as last round.
That guy reads that. You're not even winning. You're not even winning.
Garbage cans.
Well done. Let's see your top player. 7 kills. Our top player 20. Damn, you guys
okay,
are quiet now.
Hey, look
Yeah,
at you at
you're
number
fucking-
7. Look at you at number
Your
7. Where you
sorry
at,
ass
son?
getting killed.
Where are you at?
Well done, guys. Let's look at your top players. 11 kills. Our top player. 20 kills.
Losing.
Damn, he has twice your number one
Get a
kills.
single kill
Losing.
from last round, motherfucker.
Losing.
Yeah, I don't,
Please.
he didn't get a kill last round, bro.
20 kills. GG. Let's see your top player. 15
Oh my
kills.
God.
Pretty good.
Who
Our
won?
top player.
Who
20
won?
Max,
kills.
hey Max, guess what? Hey Max, guess
Hey,
what, bud?
let go of your
This
mom's
isn't
feet,
this
bud. I
isn't team
think it's time to
deathmatch.
grow
Right?
Oh my god, none of you have 20 kills.
Hey
Our
bud,
top player
Yeah,
has
this
20.
isn't
Yours
team
has
this isn't team
15.
deathmatch though. This isn't team deathmatch though. So kills don't matter.
Keep sitting in your
You
corner.
see, objective matters. That's why you take. That's why you just took that L. Because you're dog shit.
Every time I show someone your videos, I always have to say, by the way, there's a jump scare at the end, so turn on the volume. That's how fucked up it is.
Wow, dude. Imagine
Why you
playing
guys
this
being
game
pussies?
like that.
Only pussies throw shit.
It's one person.
Only pussy can't respond, you dumb motherfucker.
You guys are such pussies. It's not even fun.
It'd be different if you were good at doing what you're doing, but you know, you're not good at it.
Then why do we have no kills?
so we can't move very far.
You're supposed to be good
so
at
I'm gonna
this.
cry
You're
about
losing.
it.
See one guy?
He got.
One more? Oh shit.
Oh shit, he got me through the wall.
Oh, are we bad now? Are we bad now, motherfucker?
Yeah, you are garbage.
Yeah, you are really bad.
We just
Look at
won.
you.
Went to one round and tried talking.
He
Oh,
just
he
killed
shot my
two
K.
one.
my guy. He only got 4 kills.
Toxic Joker, you gotta stop killing them. It's our job to kill. Are we bad now?
Bitch plays.
Are we bad now?
Yeah,
Answer that.
bitch plays.
Yes, you still have 4 kills.
You're camping in your spawn and getting kills like this.
Oh,
You're getting carried by
helicopter
a guy who's
attack.
camping his spawn too, so what does that mean?
You're
to
dog
you?
shit. You're dog
He's a
shit.
professional.
Yeah, you guys are ass.
Bet you won't rush.
Bullshit.
You got this.
Oh, I'm out of bullets.
Oh
Are you
my
kidding
god,
me?
nice, dude, nice. Are we bad now? Huh?
Yeah, you are.
we
You
bad
got
now?
lucky. I ran out of bullets, faggot.
We killed you so many times. You guys
We
did
didn't.
not
You did kill
lives.
me.
I'm not
Right,
even
I
trying.
knew you
I'm
were dead
just
right
showing
there.
gays.
Fucking gays. Ah ouais, d'accord.
Alright, last guy in the middle. No, to the left over here.
Oh, you bitch, dude. Come
who's
on.
bad now? Pussies.
You are.
You guys are so
fucking
quiet now. I
bitch.
like how you were
Fuck you,
trash
noob.
talking in the beginning.
at
Now you
you.
guys
You're
are
a fucking
fucking
bitch.
quiet, pussies.
Hey,
Fuck
look,
you.
Why you
Mark
guys
is
quiet?
finally
Gays,
gonna
gays.
push.
Shut up, shut
Wow.
up. Shut up, gays.
Congratulations, your feet
Why you guys
do
quiet
work.
now, pussies? Toxic, what do you think about the shields?
Oh, he got a chopper gun.
You
Ah,
there,
mais il a un
Toxic?
hélico, ce fils.
Wow.
You are seriously fucked up with how overpowered you are.
There's only one left. We should go out there and get him. Instead of waiting for him
Where's
to
he?
revive his whole team. Probably in his spawn somewhere. I'm to the right by the tanks. In that corner. Look to your right. You see that body?
I'll
That's me.
pick you up.
I'll go rush
Yeah.
his spawn.
I'll follow
While
him.
he's got that shit in the air.
I think he's shooting where he is. So he seems to be on the
Alright,
right
good.
side.
I'm gonna go rush.
I'll follow you.
Up, he's in Shantytown.
I died too.
Shantytown.
He's in the middle somewhere.
Fucking dead. You're dead. Pick a fucking player up.
Oh, what happened? You guys gotta camp, but you have to be good if you camp. 5-2. But odd he left.
Wow.
Your pussy's
Wow.
left.
Noob. Game of noob.
It's just the French people left.
Game of bitch. Of bitch.
I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. Swag. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. 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 Swag. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh, you can suck my nuts.